In this video, you'll learn about using the cross-repository tool. With the cross-repository tool, if multiple repositories or multiple branches in a repository have the same version of the file, the change set that is committed to one repository or branch can be applied to the other repositories or branches that are connected in eGit. For this demo, I set up different repositories. The repositories are cross-repo 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's important to note the directory structure of each repository. Cross-repo 1, 2, and 3 all contain a source file 1.java file. Cross-repo 4 contains a file1.java file, but it has a different relative path than the previous three repositories. Cross-repo 5 has the same relative path, but contains a different file name. To use the cross-repository tool, the files must have the same relative path and the same file contents to replicate a change set. For this demo, I'll use small, simple files. For example, you can program a bug fix into the file in cross-repo 2 that you want to replicate to cross-repo 1 and 3. I'll add a comment to this file that says bug fix to represent the bug fix. Notice that the bug fix is currently only in cross-repo 2. To replicate the bug fix to cross-repo 1 and 3, open the Git cross-repository view. Click Window, Show View, Other. In the Show View dialog box, go to Git, Git cross-repository, and click Open. Drag the file from the Unstaged Changes section to the Staged Changes section. You can enter a commit message. Click Add Repositories to add repositories. Cross-repo 1 and 3 are the other two eligible repositories for this commit. Cross-repo 4 and cross-repo 5 don't have the same directory setup, so they are not eligible. Select the three repositories and click OK. Then click Commit. Open the file1.java file in cross-repo 1. The bug fix is now in the file. Open the file1.java file in cross-repo 3. The bug fix is also in this file now. If you have a repository with multiple branches for different releases, you can use the cross-repository tool to replicate a commit to multiple branches instead of committing to multiple repositories. That concludes the demo for using the cross-repository tool.